The FILISITE adjustable piano bench stool combines a thick, resilient cushion with smooth synthetic leather that stays comfortable during long practice sessions and wipes clean easily. Its height can be finely adjusted with side knobs, making it suitable for both children and adults to find a healthy playing posture at acoustic pianos or digital keyboards. A hidden compartment under the seat offers practical storage for sheet music and small accessories, keeping everything within reach and reducing clutter around the instrument. The solid wooden frame feels reassuringly sturdy, and the non-slip pads on the legs help protect hard floors while preventing the bench from shifting as you play. Overall, build quality and finish are impressive for a home studio or living room, with a classic look that blends well with traditional and modern furniture. Assembly is straightforward, with only the legs to attach, and the bench is versatile enough to double as a keyboard seat or small vanity stool when needed.